Hello everybody and welcome. So hope you're enjoying, hope you're doing well. Market is trying to wake up. There are some nice moves that are trying to appear. That's the reason why I started the unusual streaming. Okay, so usually I do these kind of streamings every Sunday, free for general public to discuss about trades, but now I saw the moves and I really would love to discuss about those moves with you. And there are a lot of stuff that you will learn from this. Okay, so the big plus about this webinar is to show you. Okay, so you will be able to understand, you will be able to learn the basic things about the market and market behavior. Okay, so those who were there with me on Sunday, okay, so 2 days ago, it's Tuesday, yeah, right. 2 days ago we've been discussing there exactly about the DXY. Okay, so those who were there and those who weren't, if you want to learn something, go back, watch the webinar since the Sunday. Okay, we've been discussing about the complication on dollar. Okay, DXY to become complicated structure to give us something like this, the structure in the structure, and then for one more down before next wave to the upside. Okay, so there was many people were talking about, no, that's not real, it will go up, this is all the correction we get, and so on. Okay, so if you do go and watch now what DXY is doing right now, then you will see something. Okay, you will see something what is currently happening, and you can learn something from this if you want. If you don't, then you just can move forward, skip the webinar, don't watch it at all. Okay, that totally depends on you. Would you love to learn? Would you love to get something new? That totally depends on you. Okay, so if you want, you still can join us. Okay, you can still join our trading academy, our team. We are doing trades together. Okay, we're trading together, we manage trades together, we put them on break even, we take profits together, and everything what you need to learn before you will become profitable. Okay, so everything is tracking, we are tracking those trades. We already took 35 trades probably, and 1 or 2 was the stop loss, the rest is the break even or profit. Okay, so we are doing really good. People are really nicely improving their knowledge, they are gaining a lot of experience. They never gained that much experience like in real trading. Okay, because you know that theory which you're learning will not help you. Okay, so you need experiences, and this is what will help you become profitable trader. So you will know how to behave in real market conditions, when market is live, when things are moving really quickly, so you don't have a lot of time to take a decision. So let's go now, let's comment about the DXY. What happened over there is how did I know? Okay, many of you were asking me, how did I know that this will happen? Okay, and the reason was because this move wasn't so strong. Okay, wasn't so strong, and I saw that there is something bigger there to appear. Okay, so I saw this structure in the middle, and then one more wave to the downside. That will give us then the bigger structure, and then the next wave to the upside. Okay, so all this. Okay, but there is much more, but I cannot go that much into details because it will take too long. Okay, it's gonna take up too long, and it's not as simple as it looks like maybe, but you have to recognize these patterns in the middle. They are appearing quite often. Okay, so as you can see, you as well have to recognize the running flat there on this wave to the upside, then you have to recognize this one, then you will have to recognize this one, and then the next wave to the upside. We are still in the move for the upside. Okay, so if you watch the daily where the dollar will go, that's just one quick, or let's say one small sell there in this structure. We are not reading the news. Okay, let me just mention that we are not reading any news. No fundamentals are included there, because fundamentals are there only to confuse you. You will not be able to predict or trade market based on fundamentals. Okay, fundamentals are just there, and the market will move during the news but will not move based on the news. Okay, so keep these two things clear and separated. Okay, so market, it's not moving because of the news, so make sure you understand these two terms of market behavior. Okay, so if you're total new, what you have to do is you will have to stay away, totally away from the fundamentals. Okay, so it doesn't matter if there's the war, it doesn't matter if there's a safe havens currency, it doesn't matter whatever is there. Okay, you should not care about this. Okay, so trade what you see, read the chart. The chart will always tell you what is it trying to do. Okay, the economy, if they are having the bad economy, the chart will reflect. Okay, so you will see the sign over there on the chart that the economy will go down or will strengthen. Okay, so this is what you should recognize from the chart, only from the patterns that are behaving, only from the candles which you're having in front of you. Okay, so to do this you only need the basic understanding of patterns and impulses. Impulse correction, it's what you have to understand totally. That may sound really easy, but it's not so. Okay, been working with a lot of traders that weren't profitable. They've been trading for quite a while and they couldn't become profitable. They could read structures and everything, but they didn't have the strategy, how to enter, how to exit, and so on. Okay, so hi TradingView, Jing Hong, welcome. I don't know if I pronounced your name correctly, but I think that I did. So those who are live on TradingView, those who are watching on TradingView, feel free to use the chat. Okay, don't feel ashamed, ask whatever you want. And those who are watching me on YouTube as well, feel free to use the chat there as well. Okay, so I can see both of the chats and I will be answering all your questions. Okay, so let's go. DXY, what it did, let me just show for all of them who currently join. Okay, so this is what happened on the DXY since Sunday. And hi Vortex, how it's going? So it just give us the correction in the correction, and that's the biggest problem where people are getting confused. Okay, that will not change the picture. We are not heading to the downside. Okay, so this is not telling us that we're heading to the downside. That's gonna be just the huge structure over there. Okay, so something like this, and we will be heading to the upside. If you miss this one, if you wasn't ready on this move, then let it drop, let it take those lows over there. Okay, and then we will be setting ourselves again for the strengthening with the dollar. Okay, so we will be watching for the buy setups out there. I'm actually new at trading and I got a lot of questions, and I wonder if you guys got a Discord or something. No, we are not using the Discord. We have one discussion on Telegram. If you want, you can ask questions there. You can as well use the chat over there. I can see your chat, what you're typing. And if you want to know anything else, you can basically join us every Sunday. We have a free webinar for everyone. So if you have questions, you can ask every Sunday when we are having the live webinar as well. Now you can ask, so don't feel worried. And of course, if you're serious about the trading, you can join our team. We will help you learn. Okay, we will guide you, we'll help you become profitable, and we'll help you to understand the market and give you the rules which you need to become profitable. Okay, and of course you'll have a big benefit if you will join us. We are having there the team and we are trading together. Okay, we are taking trades together, we are opening trades together, we are closing trades together, we put orders together, and this is the big benefits which you will need to become profitable. Okay, there's where you will get the experiences. Many of people now are getting a lot of benefits, a lot of experience, and I can see really a massive progress. Okay, and I think this was the main part to get that knowledge. I wish I got some sort of PayPal something to transfer. You can make it. Okay, you can make the PayPal easily, so no worry. Okay, so if you guys have any question about the academy or about our team, feel free to send me the private message. You can as well comment over there. I will describe, or I will answer all your questions. So DXY did as expected. We will now, if you are not in the trade, I do not prefer you jumping into those running candles now. That's gone for you. What you have to do is let go lower, tag the lows, and then we will be buying. Okay, so you should not miss the buy. It's gonna be a nice trade over there, and it's gonna give us a nice opportunities across the market. So I will go quickly to the setups, what is currently ready. Will not talk about what is not ready because I don't want to waste time. We are mostly trading the Forex, okay, but of course we are running a couple of investments in crypto, okay. We have a list where we spot trade, basically where we put some investment in crypto, and now we are up 50% on the crypto, okay. So I can show you the list. We've bought those pairs, TLM, okay. So when we bought, it's 8th of March, okay. So 8th of March, there was the list, okay. So we've been buying massively those charts at the bottom there, as you can see, okay. So those are our investments. We took a couple of investments and they are now nicely running in 30-40% per coin, okay. 30-40% per coin, okay. Somewhere there, 8th March, okay. There is where we bought those coins and they are running nicely now, okay. And of course this one was the best one. It's going really nicely. We bought it over there on 8th of March, and yes, this is what we are doing. It's just passive investing, okay. We are passively investing in crypto, and we are every day trading with Forex, okay. There's our main priority. We are generating profits from the Forex, okay. So let's say it's primary source of income, it's our Forex market, and crypto is just the passive, okay, just to invest something, okay. So some spare money to invest there and to make some money. Of course we are not digging for that money. We just let the profit run. You mostly trade index stuff like the US 30, but that's not that. Yes, it does matter, okay. So you can apply the knowledge, of course, on indexes as well, okay. There is nothing strange. We have a couple of traders that are as well trading indexes. That totally depends on you, but strategy is the same, okay. So we use the same strategy for crypto, for Forex, for indices, for stock, whatever you're trading, okay. So we are doing the same stuff. How long have you been trading? I've been trading since 9, 10, 11 years now. Yeah, it's 11 years. It will be basically in a month there will be 11 years of my trading. So I've been there really since long, let's say. Oh, what's the biggest money you have made? Oh, there's a lot of money that have been made over there. Been a lot, right? It's a lot that has been made over there. We made a lot and we will make even more. So okay, so let's go. Trading is really interesting, okay. That's why I love this trading and investing, okay. It's all about the money, it's all about the profits. We are all here greedy to make money. Okay, so let's go now to some of the charts to see what we are having currently ready to trade. Okay, so USD CAD, I will just simply skip it. We don't see anything currently. We are too low. I'm not interested for this kind of the trades over there. So let's go. USD Chief, nothing there. If this stop buy over there, okay, that's interesting chart to watch now. We have to see if this gives us any kind of flag, we will sell it. Okay, why? Because this is then the expanded flat and we are heading to the downside. Okay, so now totally depends what we will get over there during the day or in next few days. If we will get the consolidation, then we will be as sellers. We will be going down back at this trend line. Okay, so this is the bigger picture. We are there in the really huge picture. Something like this is what I'm anticipating. Sorry, this is what I'm anticipating. going down back at the trend line at least, or back at this low, then going back up, break all those lows, and then going lower. Okay, so but that's too far away. We will not discuss about this. Okay, what you have to understand or what you have to know is where you can make money. Of course there. Okay, just keep an eye there. Any correction, sell it. Okay, follow the flex into the direction. Use the Mexicans going downside. There is nothing to trade currently. Okay, so if you took some sells over there, it is great. If not, then not much. Okay, so skip that one. It won't give you any good setup. South African rand, nothing there. Okay, this is just gone. I do not prefer taking the trades over there, only on the strong break to downside. Okay, so only if it breaks the downside like it did there. Okay, so if it strongly breaks the downside, then you can sell. Otherwise, I really do not recommend you to be involved or to open the trades over there, because the correction can get complicated. One more extension to the upside and then it will drop down. So you need to be very experienced if you would love to trade over there. So don't get in too early. You never been trading and how to start any tip? Of course, there's the tip. I will recommend you. Okay, so I just totally do not agree with the word text. Okay, fundamental analysis is what you cannot trade and what you cannot rely on. Okay, so and I can prove to you that fundamentals are not profitable. You will never ever become profitable trader if you will be sticking to the fundamental. And my answer on that is, why wasting the energy, why wasting the focus if I cannot rely on the fundamental? Okay, so if your technical is so pure that you have to rely on fundamental, then change the technicals, change the strategy. Your strategy is really poor and you will never generate money if you will need fundamentals to rely on, or if you need any other confirmation to become profitable. Okay, and as well, candlestick patterns, that's gonna give you a lot of confusion, so we'll really not recommend you sticking to any of those. Okay, just you and the chart pattern, it's all you need. Recognize impulse, recognize corrections, that's all. Follow it. Okay, read the book Elliott Wave Theory, it's free for use. Okay, this is just the basic, the total basic, which will show you how the market moves, why it moves, and so on. Okay, and then of course you will need to do some improvement. If you will do so, then spend at least 1 to 2 years on back testing. Okay, if you will do that alone, then you will have to spend 1 to 2 years on back testing before you will even switch to the real. Okay, so if you will be profitable in these 2 years, then you can switch to the real. If not, and if you would love to speed up this career, or if you would love to become profitable faster, then you should join our group. Okay, we will help you, support you, and we will guide you what works, where you should get in, what you should use, how you should use. We will show you the rules and so on. Okay, so what we did there in our trading room. Okay, so here was a nice trade that we're running one. Your USD, it's what we saw. Okay, so this is our strategy. Okay, if we know there is the impulse and if it's followed by the correction, we are anticipating another impulse to the upside over there. Okay, so this is how our strategy works. And what we did, we were anticipating this move over there. So okay, if you ask all my traders, they will all know you that we've been anticipating this since yesterday. Okay, so yesterday we've been anticipating this move to the upside, and we saw this shape or pattern, however you will call it. And after this behavior, we are anticipating this kind of the move over there. Okay, so this is how our strategy works, how we are trading, and how we rely, let's say. But of course, there are a lot of rules. If this, then this. If this, then so. But I cannot share you those rules there or there. I will analyze the gold, yes, just a little bit. I heard some guy, I forgot where. Don't listen to any guy. Okay, so Yeah, it's not nothing wrong with trading CFD or any other markets than Forex. Okay, Forex is just one of the market. You don't need to stick to the Forex only. You can trade whatever, commodities, indices, crypto, whatever. Okay, but crypto is a little bit specific, okay, especially if you are trading it with the leverage. Okay, leverage can wipe out your account because everyone knows that crypto it's really volatile and it's really dangerous for your account. Only spot is what I do recommend for every new traders because leverage it's really too, let's say, too risky, okay. But what you should do, what I was trying to show you, is especially you guy who is asking me for the basic or for the guidelines, this is what you have to do, okay. Just spend some backtesting on patterns, okay. If you have the impulse, if you have the pattern over there, the correction, then what you can anticipate, another impulse to the upside, okay. This is all about how market works. What are you talking about? Algorithm? What kind of algorithm are you talking about, my friend? Okay, so no, it's not about the candlestick movement. That doesn't work. Okay, it's about the patterns. It's about the patterns. Pattern is what you have to study. Candlestick will not help you do anything. Okay, this is just how you will blow up your account if you will be a candlestick trader, let's say like that. Okay, so if everyone will just use the candlestick, everyone will be millionaire. Okay, it's not that easy, and especially with the support and resistance line. Okay, when I see guys, people that are trading support and resistance with some doji candles and hammer candles and blah 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 and stuff like that, everyone will be millionaire if this stuff will work. So it's not that easy as it looks, okay. So market doesn't work that way and will not listen to your candlestick and your support and resistance line, which is totally random and not real. You cannot rely on it, okay. You cannot rely on the support and resistance line, okay. So your Aussie, look what we did over there in our team. Okay, we took this trade together with our traders. Yesterday we watched this, and based on these two moves, we anticipated that next move will appear over there. Okay, so and the move will be something like this. So what we did, we were trying to buy Euro Aussie, and we placed some of the orders over there. Okay, so there was one order we saw there on lower time frame, 1 hour, a nice flag that is about to appear, and we took a buy over there. So look at that one. We are already in nice profit for, let's say, how much? Okay, we are already 174 pip in profit. The trade is still running, we'll still watch it, and now we need another lesson or another knowledge. So when to close it, okay? When we should close it? Not yet, okay? So we have a special rules. We'll watch it during the day, of course, how that develops. If there will be more opportunities, we will of course add more trades. Okay, our target is back at the top. Okay, not back at the top. We don't need to break the top. That's the rule. We are using it right now. Okay, we don't need to break the top. We'll watch it to go a little bit more somewhere there close to the top and then reverse. So what we are aiming over there is still 400 pips more. So everything together, what we will book over there will be a nice move of, let's say, 600 pips. Okay, so 600 pip movement is over there what we are trading. And what I was trying to say is, if you don't understand the higher time frame picture, if you don't understand this, if you don't know why this is there, then you will not be able to predict the upcoming movement. Okay, so this is the catch, and there's where you need a knowledge. And of course, once you get in, you will have to know what to do with the trade at least, right? it's the less, or this is really minimum to open the trade. Okay, this is everyone what can do. And of course, there's the one more trade we took as well, the Euro New Zealand. Okay, that one is doing nicely as well. similar kind of the behavior, but the reason is we are anticipating there the break of this top over there. Okay, we are anticipating the break of this top. On Euro Aussie we are not anticipating, but on Euro New Zealand definitely we will break the top, and guess what, we are already in the trade and we will be holding it all the way back to break this top. Then we will relook at the structure, we will see if we have the rules to take off our profit, or will this trade continuously pushing higher. Okay, so we are as well in the bigger structure, daily structure is over there if you watch it. Okay, now we just have to see what this part is trying to do. Currently we are buying, and you as well can buy, okay, during the week. If this will correct over there, keep on buying until we break the top. Once we break the top, you have to become cautious. Okay, be careful, we will be cautious about the trade, because this becomes now a sell and we will start selling, of course. Then what you have to do is just to book your profits. Okay, you should not hold it till forever. Okay, you have to book your profit, because if you bought this one and if you will close this trade with the break even, or even worse, if you close this with the stop loss, immediately stop trading. Okay, that's not how you should trade. Okay, market will should never turn against you. Okay, don't let the market turn against you. This is the biggest problem that people are facing of, that they let the profit trades turn against them. Okay, they let the market turn against them, and that's the biggest problem. Okay, try to stop it before it turns against you. Okay, break even. Okay, if you took a break even on this trade, okay, that's great, you are at least learning. But if you took a profit, yeah, that's right, you know what the price is doing. But you have to understand the picture forward. Okay, if you will understand what the price will do for in the future, then you will be able to take your profit on time. Okay, so I hope you guys understand now what we are doing, how we are doing. Okay, this was a nice trade, let's say, and both of them are still running. Euro Aussie is still running with nice profit, and Euro New Zealand as well. Nice moves for over there. Okay, so let's see what else we can do over there. We can watch this Aussie USD. Let's keep an eye how that develops over there. We can try to sell. If it will not move, then close it. Okay, close it, don't let the price to turn. Okay, we still have some potential of a downside. Okay, this will go down. Now the question is how long this will stay there. It could stay there, give us the flat for buy, and we will be buying. So keep an eye there during the week especially. So Aussie Chief, what else do we have there? This one went lower, it's not moving aggressively, so this becomes now a buy. Okay, this is the 1, 2, 3 and 3. Okay, now this becomes a nice buy over there, so be careful. Let's see what the price is trying to do. If it goes for any kind of the correction like this, you can sell. Okay, any correction like this, you can sell. Otherwise, don't chase the price, because it's gonna go back at the top. So how far it will go? If it goes back at the previous top. Okay, so this will be your target, this is what you are aiming for. If this will start pushing higher on 1 hour. Okay, easy stuff. We are in the correction is completed, and I'm really anticipating now tagging the previous top. Aussie New Zealand, it's kind of weird one. Okay, kind of weird one. This one can as well stop over there, giving you the pattern in the middle. Okay, if you do remember the picture from the beginning of the webinar. Okay, this to stop there, pattern in the pattern, or correction in the correction, then going down, and then complete this bigger picture and then going higher. Okay, this is possible as well. So what should you do, how you can trade it? Keep an eye how that develops. Okay, let's see how this develops. This is a structure for buy, and we are going for one more push higher. Okay, so keep an eye there, watch it, track it, and you can take a buy over there if you know how to trade it. If you don't know how to trade this part of the structure, this part of the trade, then just skip it. Okay, or wait for the flag before you take any buy over there. Aussie Cat, not going, not moving. Okay, so I don't love this kind of slow movement. Okay, they are setting up for one more push higher. Okay, this is what I don't like. And then we can say this is all of the correction, 1 to 3. We are going in the correction, one more high, break the top, going down, then giving us the big flat over there, tag the previous low nicely, and then going higher. Okay, so this is how Aussie CAD can develop in the future. Okay, New Zealand Chief, no momentum. Okay, so stay away from now. Okay, stay away from now. If you took this flag over there for sell, if it will not move in the next couple of hours, then close it. Okay, so you want to see it pushing strongly. Okay, like it did there. Once they break, they should go. Once they break, they should go. You should expect they're the same. Once they break, they should go. If not, close it on break even. New Zealand USD, this is trying to form some kind of expanded flat, so watch it for more downside. Okay, so any aggressive breaks to the downside, you can consider selling it. Okay, so how far it will go? It will go back at the trend line. Okay, so this is what you can anticipate. Even bigger correction can appear, something like this, and then drop similar as it did there. Okay, we have a drop, we need a correction, and then they will drop, give us some flat, earning flat over there, and then the less push to the upside. Okay, so this is how the New Zealand USD can behave in the upcoming days, so keep an eye on it. Yeah, track it, don't jump in too early, let the correction develop, because you know after correction the move will start. Oops, sorry. New Zealand CAD, no move at all, so be careful. We tagged the previous low, and we can say now this is a nice flag for more upside. Okay, let me see the bigger picture. Okay, now the chart is exactly on the point where it needs to tell us what it will do in the future. Okay, so what it will do in the future. Okay, so you have to watch there. 1 hour, it's enough. It's enough to watch. Okay, on 1 hour time frame, it should tell us if this will go to downside, it will correct and it will drop. If not, then it will went up, correct, and will went up. Okay, so then this will become one big flag over there, the daily flag for more upside. And if this so, you should take both of directions. Okay, so if you get the chance for buy, you will buying. If you get the chance for sell, you should sell. Both of the directions have a nice potential. If we will break out of this huge structure, we are going to tag back the previous top. Okay, so this will be the move which you should trade. But if it goes down, you should trade to the downside as well. Okay, there's a nice potential. You can make a nice money over there. Okay, so this is what is called trading. You see the both opportunities and you take them both. Okay, you can make money from the buy and you can take the money from the sell. Okay, so this is what you have to understand to be able to generate profit. Okay, take every step, or let's say every direction, if you know where is it going and why it is going. Okay, don't just blindly get in, get out like a crazy. Okay, you need setup before you get in, and you know where is your target, where we are heading to, and so on. Your USD, okay, I've been mentioning it at the beginning. Okay, so this is the big structure there. I think this is the contracting flat over there, and one more wave to the upside is possible. Yesterday we've been watching this with our theme. Okay, we have a impulse, nice impulse over there, 1 2 3. This is what we call a running flat, and this running flat is going to the upside. Okay, it's going nicely to the upside. We have some holdings over there, nice flag over there on 1 hour. Okay, running flat, sorry, there was the running flat, break up higher. Okay, and what you can do now, nothing. Okay, so now it's not the time to get into the market. If you missed it, then you have to wait for a flag definitely before getting into the market. Okay, to take a decision, to take a trade over there. Can go lower, yes. Okay, so this is the dangerous spot to buy right now. Okay, if you bought it somewhere there, you did a good job, because now things can get complicated. This is in the middle, and now we can have something like this, and we will go for one more push to the downside to break the low. So be really careful where you are buying, how you are buying. Don't buy without having any correction. Okay, so you need a correction before you buy. If you missed it, then learn something from this one. Okay, learn. Your CAD went up nicely. Okay, there is the running flat in the making, so it's a little bit more to push, and then it will start selling. Okay, so rather ignore the buy. If you skip the buy there from the bottom of the structure, if you miss this buy, then let it do whatever it wants to do, let it lose its momentum, let it hold over there, and then search for the sell stop, right? Okay, let it drop, let it correct, take a sell to break the previous low. Okay, this is what you can trade. So you have to skip this one. This will not be the trade for you, and this is the trade which you have to wait for. Okay, how long how long does it struggle over there? It could struggle there 2 to 3 days, maybe even on Friday. On Friday it could start dropping if this is so. Okay, but we cannot predict the time. Okay, the chart will tells us when the pattern is completed and when it's about to go. Okay, when it will be ready to go down. You have to recognize and see that from the chart. So easily, how you will recognize this from the chart? You will see the impulse, you will see any kind of the correction, then you can take a trade. Okay, this is the sign when market will tells you, yes, I'm ready to go in this direction. Okay, so Euro Aussie, really nice move, like I said at the beginning. Okay, we took a nice buy over there. Euro New Zealand, the same nice buy over there. We will hold this trade. Okay, so we will hold this trade, we'll let it run, probably breaking more than this top. Okay, so it will go higher than this one, and then it will start selling. Okay, but next week it's what we will sell. This week we will probably stay and stick with the buy. Okay, but it may turn as well. Okay, it may turn if we saw any reversals of change or changing direction, we will go for the sell. Why not? The sell is still the biggest one. Okay, if you watch the daily, okay, this is the daily, and then going lower back at this low. Okay, so the daily is still the opportunity to grab. Okay, there's where you'll make a lot of money, so keep an eye. Euro Chief went up higher, nothing now. If you find during the day a flag for buy it. Okay, go for the buy. Easy trade. Euro GBP went up higher. So what is it currently Euro GBP doing? It's weekly. On the weekly you can see this is the huge structure, and as I can see, we tag the bottom. This is all what we get, and we are going now for the big wave to the upside. Okay, so we can start buying. Okay, so keep your eyes for the buy stop, stick to the buy stop, and go for it. Okay, give it a chance, go for the trade. Okay, let it correct and go for the buy. Definitely we will watch and keep an eye for the buy on the Euro GBP. Okay, buying, it's what you are searching for. Every flag, buy it. If it's not going, cut it off. Euro Polish Zloty going lower, been mentioning this since really long time. Okay, going down. Since there we've been selling it. Now it's again in the correction, it's breaking, another correction, sell it, another correction, sell. Okay, keep on selling. Okay, put it on your watch list and just sell it all the way down back to this low. Euro Nokian, same there. Okay, so this will probably stay something like this, going lower, going back up, and then going lower. Okay, it will stay there much more. Okay, so something like this bigger correction should appear over there. Now down, and then up, and then down. Okay, so try to stay away now. Okay, it's not tradable currently. If you have the buy stop over there, you may consider taking it. Okay, it can drag higher, so give it a chance, get in. If it is not moving, get out. Yen pair, it's what I will not chase currently. Okay, I will not chase this over there, because this could still be the part of the structure and more upside can appear, so we'll let them drop. If this is so, and if this is not a buy, then I will let them drop and correct there, and then I will start selling it. Okay, but from where it is right now, I will not sell it. Let it do whatever it wants to do. All yen pairs. Okay, we've been buying it a couple of times. There was some buys that we took, and now we just have to see what this part of the structure or this behavior is trying to tell us. Okay, maybe we will be buying it by the end of the week. Who knows? Okay, for now there is no buy set up, but buy stop is definitely a good idea to retest all the previous tops again. New Zealand yen, same there. All yen pairs. All yen pairs to go back at the top. Okay, so all yen pairs to push back at the top. This one as well. Let it do whatever it wants to do and back at the top. Pound USD. This one may struggle. If it struggles, then it can drag back at the previous low. Okay, we still didn't break the low. If not so, then let it correct. If it corrects over there, buy it. Okay, buy this structure over there and let it go tag the top, and then to reverse. So keep an eye on it. Pound chief, interesting. Let's watch this one. Okay, so let's see how this is trying to behave. It could stay there a couple more hours before the next wave to the downside. Sell, it's what you want to see. Pound Aussie, nothing strange over there. If this corrects over there, go for the buy. It's gonna go for the deeper correction. Okay, so something like this will appear over there, a deeper correction, and then they will go. Can it drop? I don't think so. Okay, there's no sell setup. No sell stop is there. Pound New Zealand, struggling as well. No sell stop, but what I will take is sell on Pound New Zealand definitely. Okay, so if you watch Pound New Zealand, where we are at, okay, where we are at, and this is to all new guys who don't understand what we are doing. Okay, so it went up, it corrects, it went up, it's correct, it went up, correct, went up. Now we will go for at least one more wave to the downside, tagging this low, and if we will be the lucky, then this structure will repeat itself and will go even deeper than we thought. Okay, so every sell that appears, we should take it. Okay, we should take every sell that happens over there, and currently we are just going for another deeper correction, and definitely sell is what you don't want to miss. Okay, keep an eye there, watch every sell opportunity. You can ignore the buys, but definitely you should not be ignoring the sells. Sell is what will give you a nice profit over there. Pound cat, let's see, probably it will go for the deeper correction as it looks like. Okay, but be careful, this could be the running flat over there, and we may start pushing lower. If this will give you any correction for buy, you can try to buy it. This could go into the deeper correction, and nice profit, right? You can make a nice profit over there. Cat chief went up, complete the structure. Where we are going back at this low will give us the flag for buy, and we will be buying back again at the top. Okay, if this will give us any flag for sell, you can sell it, and you can go for it. You might analyze UK 100 once you done analysis all the, yeah, of course we will watch in indexes, no worries. We will watch in the indices, so we'll be quickly there. Chief Nokian, nothing there. Okay, just keep it. Gold going down nicely, a lot of sell stops was there. If you took a sell, great, just keep selling. Okay, keep selling. If you get the sell, sell. Okay, oh, if you are in the sell, I don't think it's good. Let me see. Okay, so I don't know exactly what's going on. We'll have a look, right? Yeah, we will watch it. Just a couple of minutes. So yeah, this one is a sell over there as well. Where we are at the top of the structure, we should sell. Okay, so keep on selling it. Every sell stop you find, take a sell. Sugar going down. If it corrects, take a sell. It's gonna go for the bigger correction, and then it will go high. So watch there. Any kind of the correction, take a sell. Oil, keep on selling. Okay, so there was the sell stop, nice sell stop. If you sell it, great. One another, sell. Back at the previous low, be careful, it can go back at the top, give us the flat, and then continuation to the downside, and this will be one big structure for sell. Okay, keep an eye. UK oil, same there. This is going back at the previous low. Okay, so watch for sell stops and just keep on selling. Natural gas will go up probably. Okay, so one more up, and then the sell will start on the natural gas. So Nasdaq 100, this is a clear buy over there. Clear buy. Okay, so you can keep on buying. If this corrects, buy. SP 500 as well. If you find the correction, buy. Okay, this thing is going higher. US 30 going higher nicely. There was a nice correction for buy. If you bought, great, you're doing a nice job. How far is it going? This could be the running flat, be careful. If you took a buy, take off your profit. This could go for one more wave lower, so move all your profits, move your all trades with the buy in profit or take profit. This is gonna go lower anytime soon. UK 100, if you are in the sell, that's not a good. Okay, selling the UK 100 from there what is right now, it's a dangerous spot. Dangerous spot. Why? What it should do, it should just correct and keep on pushing higher back at the previous top. Okay, this is the possibility which exists over there. Tag the top and then going lower. So be careful with the UK 100. But if I will be you, I will stay away from it. Okay, it's not ready yet it's not ready yet for a sell. Okay, be careful. Same there. All indices are pushing higher. All indexes or indices, however you call them, they are trying to reach the previous top. Okay, they will do and push back at the previous top. Look at that one. They all are having this kind of movement and they are all pushing back at the top. If you're not targeting some big moves, I don't think that you can predict the correction. Okay, don't try to predict and trade the correction. You will not be able to successfully do this. So don't chase the price. Okay, wait for the setup before you sell. That's not good. If you sell just like, let's say, okay, I think this will go down, okay, I have to sell, right? I have to sell. No, this is what doesn't work. So okay, you cannot just sell, put stop loss somewhere there, for example, and trade. No, okay, don't trade like that. You'll get yourself in trouble and you'll have a lot of trades like you have already UK 100. Okay, they will all be a little bit confused one if you'll do so. So rather wait for the setup, rather wait for at least a flag before you're selling, or at least a flag before you're buying. Okay, this is what you should stick to. Don't just jump in. Okay, don't push the market. Let it show you what is it trying to do, or let it confirm your thinking or your analysis before you will start selling or even buying it. Okay, don't sell on the analysis. Analysis should be separated. Okay, you have to have one strategy for analyzing, another strategy for entering the market, another strategy to exit the market against if it goes in case if it goes against you. Yeah, just hold it on break even. That's not making sense. This trade, it's not good. Okay, really recommend you closing it on break even. If it will start drop, don't think you'll miss anything. It will still go down, giving you the sell stop, and then you'll be able to catch the trade to the downside. Okay, you just have to watch it every day. Watch it, keep an eye on it, and I'm really sure that you cannot miss it. Okay, you cannot miss it. Okay, so this is all from the indices forex. Do we have any questions, guys? Any questions out there? You can use the chat. I can see the chat and I will answer all your questions. So feel free to use it. Okay, so let's see what the chart is trying to do. We have a couple of trades running on, as I mentioned at the beginning of the webinar. So those who entered or joined us right now, they should watch the recording. We took a buy over there on Euro Aussie and Euro New Zealand. Okay, those are the trades we are having on, and we will keep an eye on it. Okay, so we will not let this trade to turn against us and to took off our profit. Okay, we are nice profit, and we will be keep watching it. Okay, this trade should go. This trade should go in nice profit. Same there with Euro Aussie. Those are two trades that will give us a nice profit. And then of course once they will reach the top, we will watch it and then we'll start selling it. Okay, so any questions? So no questions. That's great. Usually people are asking. Here on finance. Okay, so let me just add this one. I don't have that one. Okay, we will watch it. Let's see what this coin is trying to do. Daily, where we are. Okay, you can buy if you find the flag over there. Okay, so this will probably stay there. This will go up tag the top, go down, tag the bottom, then we'll go. Okay, so this is where you when you have to start buying it. Okay, this is where you should start buying it. Can it go lower as well? Yes, this could go something like this, and then it will still be the buy. So keep an eye how it develops. Any flag, flat, whatever you get, any correction you can buy, don't chase it right now. Okay, don't chase it from the price where it is right now. You should be buying it somewhere there from those prices. Okay, but it will go a little bit up in the future. So how for that's not so looking good chart. Okay, so this is the confusing one. There are many better charts, many better coins that you should watch. Okay, we are holding the FIL. Okay, so this is the chart where we bought. Okay, so this is where you should be buying, guys. This is where you should be buying, from the bottom to the top. I don't rely on the Fibonacci. Fibonacci is what we do not trade. Okay, so that's just the random line and we don't use it. But fill, what we are anticipating there on the fill, of course, we are aiming as well those tops over there. Okay, so our investments needs to grow nicely. Okay, so we bought at the beginning of the third month when the price was there, and of course this is our target, right? Yes. Okay, this is our target, this is what we are aiming, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, anyway, we are just passively investing in crypto, and we every day trading the Forex. Okay, so Forex is what we are doing inside of the group, so we are taking trades together and taking profits together as well, watching charts together, taking trades setups, let's say like that. And of course people are nicely learning from this kind of the trading, let's say, lifestyle. Okay, so this is it. I don't see any questions. So if you guys have any questions, you can as well leave a comment under the YouTube video. Okay, so I will answer in Sunday free weekly market outlook. For those who are interested to join me, send me the private message. You can as well just go straight to the website trademaster.eu and send me the email, or just fill the form, pay the subscription, and I will add you and give you the access to our community. I will add you to our team, where you will be able to trade with us together, and this is the really beneficial stuff for you. Okay, at least if you would love to become trader and if you take the investing seriously, okay, you should join us. So this is it. Thank you everyone for being there. If you are happy with this webinar, if you enjoy it, share the link with others. Okay, so see you next time. Take care, enjoy your day, and may the profit be with you. Bye bye everyone.